Hi, today I'm talking about my 5 steps hair care routine, how I grow, straighten, and soften my hair without using harsh chemicals or hot combs. So I'll get right to it. Before I do that, my name is Martha Fox. I'm your TBH wellness friend. I love helping people to improve their mental, physical, and financial health. So today I'm talking about hair. Okay, I am going to share with you my 5 steps. Step number 1, I wash my hair once a week. Right. 2, I oil treat my hair on a regular basis when I remember. Okay, so I use what I call it is oh no, before I go there, I want to talk about the shampooing and the conditioner. I use a regular shampoo, but for conditioner, I use 100% organic. It helps to condition the hair. I am telling you, this is called beauty water. So beauty water, I can explain more about where to get that water. And then when I talk about oil treatment, I am using what I call the resurrection tea. I make that tea and I put one of my favorite nourishing oil and I do a hair treatment when I remember. So what I do after I shampoo and then I put on my resurrection oil treatment. And then when I do that, I wear my plastic. I leave it for an hour or more. It just depends with my mood, right? And then what I do, the third thing I do after doing everything, so when I do the oil treatment, I actually don't wash it. I just leave it like that. And then I use my favorite nourishing oil. I love it. I love it. And then what I do, the next step, this is what grows my hair. It helps to grow my hair. Okay. So I do not like chemicals in my head. One time I damaged my scalp because I was using harsh chemicals. So I decided no. So this is what I use. Rubber bands. So normally when I'm doing it, I'll be using my beauty water to soften my hair. Of course, I would have put the oil. So basically, I'll just take this one. So this is how I grow my hair, keep it. The idea was not to straighten it. It just happened coincidentally, right? I like my natural hair, but I came across this by accident. My idea was not to straighten my hair. It was just to protect my hair. But then I realized it helps it to grow. It actually straightens it. I remember when we were young, we were using those hot combs. Those are dangerous. You know, one mistake, if it goes on your scalp, you're done. So this is what I use. This is how I straighten my hair. Soften it and grow it without using harsh chemicals. This is what I use. So when I'm going out, I have 2 choices. Whoa, the good thing is my hair is now, oh, I can put it in a bun, which is good. So normally when I'm going out, I just untie everything, put more oil and more beauty water, my conditioner, and then I just tie it. Or I like using bands. If you have seen some of my videos, I do have the band with my hair undone, and then I have the band over my head. It looks nice. So I don't have any issues going to parties or to events with my natural hair. So this is how you do it. So if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out. If you want to know more about the beauty water or the resurrection treatment, let me know. I'm going to talk a little bit about the resurrection treatment. This is a plant from Africa, Southern Africa mainly. So you can use that for drinking as tea. And I'm telling you, if you want to have glowing skin, that's the tea to drink every day. I'm telling you, it makes a difference. If you are passionate about skincare, make sure you check some of my videos where I talk about skin health. So thank you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, please, and comment. All right. Thank you.